surrounded by the finance.
Before we start, if I can just call on Dan.
Pleasant duty to introduce and welcome the University of Hawaii, Dr. Tusi, globally.
Thank you. The chairperson of before and the doctor, madam, and Mr. Sakisa from iPhone, distinguished participation, representatives from Pacific Island Farmers Organization, that is before CTA, iPhone, and BIPSO, stakeholders, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, Pulau Binaka. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to be here this morning to officially address as this one-day regional workshop at Toka Toka Resort here in Nadi, Fiji. This significant event has come about through a joint initiative by Technical Center for Agriculture and Rural Cooperation, CTA, International Fund for Agriculture Development, IFAD, and the Pacific Islands Private Sector Organization, PIPSO, project together with Pacific Island Farmers Organization Network before. Ladies and gentlemen, I do recall that I was also part of the initial workshops that were held at the Grand Pacific Hotel in Suva last year, where some of you participants have also attended and generated discussions of formulating sound policies based on the theme, developing Pacific local food crops and fisheries value chain, key innovations and critical success factors, specifically with the recommendations for improving the finance and the business environment for agribusiness and value chain development in the Pacific region. Fellow participants, I trust that you have been able to make meaningful progress in your own countries since the 2018 Suva workshop, and I'm also very optimistic that you will find time to review lessons learned from your respective countries and each other during this one-day workshop. Such is the value of having regional workshops like this. Ladies and gentlemen, today's workshop brings together multiple stakeholders, farmers, producers, fisherfolk, agribusiness owners, community organizations, government representatives, finances, and development partners. I'm told the main reasons for your coming together will be to discuss key issues to be explored for enhancing Pacific agribusiness and value chain performance around key topics on access to finance and innovative financing mechanisms, value chain capacity development programs and alliances, the enabling environment, policy, regulation and legislation, and the way forward. Fellow participants, I'm also advised that you will be encouraged to engage in dialogue and share experiences on these critical issues, and a selected few will make direct rounds of their organization's business plans to finances and development partners during the day. During September 2018, 7 participants from Tonga, Samoa, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Solomons, and Fiji traveled to the Netherlands to attend a 3-week international training program on optimizing the performance of producers organization OPPO at Wageningen University and Research Center for Development Innovation. 7 Pacific OPPO alumni have analyzed 7 priority value chains from their different places of work, profiled their farmer organization and business relationships, and developed inclusive business plans with the support and guidance of the WCDI OPPO team from the Netherlands, Ted and Meleki. Thank you for the great achievements and continuous team support. Ladies and gentlemen, today a number of you come from the region like Tonga, Samoa, Vanuatu, Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea, Kiribati, the Marshall Islands and Fiji, representing farmers organizations, fisherfolk, agribusiness SMEs, civil society organizations, and representatives from government, financing institutions, and development partners. During this important workshop, all of you will be encouraged to strengthen regional public-private producer alliance to influence policy and regulatory processes in support of inclusive agribusinesses and nutrition-sensitive value chain development in the Pacific Island states. Create a coordinating multi-stakeholder platform or network of Pacific small and medium agro enterprises, government representatives, finances and development partners to lobby for innovative financing mechanisms that can sustain successful agribusiness development. Gather multiple stakeholder endorsement on the way forward for scaling up capacity development and transforming the policy, regulatory, legislative and financial environment for enabling agribusiness and value chain development in the Pacific region. Ladies and gentlemen, collectively as a community of Pacific Island farmers organizations, agro-based SMEs and civil society groups, I am quite confident that your roles will be strengthened through a common vision and way forward in collaborating with governments in your countries, finances and development partners. I am convinced that today's deliberation and exchanges will bring the best of strategies and ideas in our combined effort towards achieving the key outcomes of this one-day workshop. Ladies and gentlemen, with these words, now gives me great pleasure to declare the regional workshop on investment, readiness and finance inclusive open, and I wish you well in your deliberations. We'll have a good day, and God bless you all. Thank you.